Hello friends, my name is Arta Kool. I study in grade 4. Today I am going to show you some yoga poses on behalf of International Yoga Day, which we celebrate on 21st June. First of all, I am going to show you some benefits of yoga. I have drawn a sketch of it on a chart. First is it makes us strong. If you do yoga regularly, it will make you strong and healthy. This is increasing concentration. If you do yoga regularly, it will increase your concentration. Third one is it reduces stress. If you do, you know that it's a very stressful life going on now. If you want to reduce your stress, do yoga regularly. Last one is that it reduces in diseases. Now I'm going to show some poses of yoga. First pose is cow pose. Do it for 5 minutes. Second pose is butterfly pose. First you have to do this. Okay, then this is the butterfly pose. Do it for 5 minutes. Third pose is Anulom Vilom. Do it for 5 minutes. Fourth pose is cobra pose. It's like this. Do it for 5 minutes. So these are the poses that you need to do regularly. They will keep you healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.